Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick 3-minute Bob Ross landscape wet on wet painting. Anybody can do this, and you don't have to do it within 3 minutes. Take as much time as you want because this is an easy beginning painting. Now, if you want some more tutorials from me or quick time lapses, did you a favor, you can go over to the side and watch any one of those. And hey, if you want to do me a favor, go down below and hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'll see y'all later, and of course, peace!